Okay, in 22.2, rethinking landscaping, we're basically going to relook at a problem again, very similar to 22.1. In this case, the homeowner is worried about the work needed to maintain a grass lawn and flower beds. So now she's looking at some low maintenance materials. She's considering artificial turf, which is just fake grass basically, which costs $15 per square foot. And I want you guys to look, according to the graph over here, they're putting artificial turf on the y-axis. So I'm going to go ahead and write down that y represents the artificial turf, and that's at $15. And then there's also gravel as another cost-effective gravel or low maintenance, we should say, which is $3 per square foot, and that's on the x-axis. So we're going to go ahead and call x gravel, which is at $3 square foot. She's still keeping her budget at $3,000. They've already graphed it for you over here. And I'm just going to walk you on number one. We're going to walk through A, B, and C. So the first part, A, is asking, in this situation, what does the point 500, 100 mean? So if we look over at our graph, here's the point 500, 100. So remember that all points are by x and y. So we've got 500, 100. This is your x, and that is your y. So because x represents gravel and y represents artificial turf, and this point is on the line of our equation, then we know that she can afford $500 worth of gravel. So I'll write that out in a sentence. She can afford $500, or not, sorry, back that up. She can afford 500 square feet of gravel. She can afford 500 square feet of gravel and 100 square feet of turf with exactly $3,000. And I really need you to pay attention to that word exactly. Because this point is on the line, then every point that's on that line satisfies her budget of exactly $3,000. So part B is asking us to write an equation. So part B, I'm pretty good at this. Let's just do what we did in problem 22.1. She's got $3, right, for gravel, plus $15 for artificial turf, and her budget is $3,000. So without all of the little dollar signs, we'll call this equation 3x plus 15y has to equal $3,000. And then part C says, what do the solutions to the equation mean? And we've already kind of discussed it in part A, but a solution to the equation means every possible combination that she can come up with using all of her $3,000. So it's all possible combinations. So it's all possible combinations of gravel and turf with a budget equal to exactly $3,000.